Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Fruity Tiger. Let's eat. So guys, I have water and masala dosa and chutney. This is the chutney. The chutney is so good stuff. So good stuff. Let's grab some chutney now. And let's so good stuff. There we go. The chutney tastes so good. Chutney taste. Whoa. The chutney taste is so good. Whoa. The chutney. We make a coconut and onion, then blend, and that is a chutney. Let's get out this patta. Let's go. Eat all. Wow. Now this dosa is so super and sweet. Okay. There we go. That is, whoa! Look at that. That is a lot of dosa and a lot of it. Look inside. Wait, look. There's an aloo in there. Oh. Look at inside. Look. Inside? Those are the aloo and some onions. Some butter in there too. Okay. Let's put it back like that. Oh! Whoa, I just got it like that. Oh, this levels, look, if you up it, then it goes up. Okay? Grab this table, okay? If you don't grab it, wait. First, 5 seconds subscribe. We wanna see you can subscribe this video in 5 seconds. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. If you that comment down below, right now. Now let's eat now. So good. Guys, now do you like that last video again? Thank you. Should we just like put everywhere the Maggie and like a fish too? Then in the last video, that is not too fun. Let's just put that patta here. Droplets. Look, I'm done it. I love dosa so much, okay? And I love chutney so much. My mom and daddy make this stuff. Oh, my order just fell off. My mom and my daddy just make this stuff. I love it. Whoa! Look at the inside of it. There's so many aloes in there. Why? I love this so much. This thing looks like a burger. Yeah. We're gonna see. Wait, first 3 seconds subscribe. We wanna see, you can subscribe video in 3 seconds. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, done. If it has comment down, this is one right now. What the hell did happen? Okay, let's see. Okay, that's not right. Salad is a good stuff, okay? If you didn't eat the salad, then you cannot strong and stronger. I burn my uncut. Why the all the alus going off? I don't want to off alus. They're so tasty. Let's drink some water now. Water is a one medicine. If we drink water, we can know what is this. This is a bag, this is a toy, and this is a water, and this is a table, and this is a plate. Okay, we got just one dosa left. Now, oh, this is so crunchy. Oh, you see that sound? That sounds like a crunchy, like a fire, like a charcoal. Charcoal is attacking. 1 hour later. 1 hour later. There's so many numbers in there. That tastes so good. Like up. The other thing that I'm gonna say, that is onion, I need that. It's not too spicy. I love spices. One. Whoa, look at this. Look, it's so large and I cannot break it over. Look, there's so many white like a bubbles, but what I can see around this. I love mutton. This is a mutton. Yes, it is a mutton. Oh, आप अभी लाइक करिए इस वीडियो को, हाँ? अगर नहीं किया, अगर आपने नहीं किया तो फिर करिए आप. मुझे भी आता है हिंदी और मेरे को इंग्लिश भी आता है, हाँ? ये वाला कप बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है. So tasty. I'm like eating like a monster. Bye-bye. I'm not a monster. I'm different. Okay. Got some chutney. Whoa. That is a lot of chutney. Oh, that tastes like a taco. Do you know taco? What is a taco? I think so. Can tell English or Hindi? I know Hindi and English, okay? I don't know what is a Chinese, but so many guys is video, but they said that auntie said in Chinese and English together, and they talk like that. I don't know why. I think they know English and Chinese, not Hindi. They don't know what is a Hindi. But the Hindi guys never know what they are talking. Okay? I love burgers so much. But I have never made burger. Well, we know how to make a burger. Now that looks super stylish. What? Don't play? Wait. Let's see my action. Bro, I love this water so much. What the hell? What? What the hell just happened down here? What the hell just happened? Let me stand up. Look, that looks just like a ball. Look at that. Look, that looks just like a ball. Look, that looks just like a ball. Yeah? Wait. First, 5 seconds. We wanna see. Can you subscribe this video in 5 seconds? Are you ready? We have to do this quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. And put some chutney in there, like a sandwich, like a thing. And we make ourselves taka. Look at that. That just looks like a taka. I'm bite it. Nom. मामा ने और पापा ने मिल लिया अच्छा डोसा बनाया Oh man. Ow. Daddy shark. I'm gonna grab this one bite. No. I have to make one burger. Let's put some like a patty, like a thing, and put some sriracha and put some tomato sauce. Put some onion into it and butter. Okay, my sandwich is done, but a little bit. Look at that. Can you see the sandwich? That sandwich is just like a burger. Yeah, Mom? Yeah. Okay, look, get out in here. Cream. This is so good. 2, 1, sorry. Whoa, what is in there? What got in there? Can tell you what is मशीन ने मतलब मेरा पेट भर गया. ये Chinese never eat fruits. Just eat that noodles and a burger. That is and drinks. That is disgusting stuff. Okay, don't eat it. That's gonna kill you, there, guys. Okay, don't eat it. Just eat fruits and sabji. Okay, that is good stuff. And we are not the Chinese guys. We are the Hindi guys and English guys. Yum yum. I know Udia also. Bye bye. Like, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Love you.